Hi, welcome back to our channel. I'm back to the tutorial for machine learning. Today, I'm going to explain some of the basics about the decision tree in machine learning. So, as of you know, we already discussed about the machine learning basics, that is the fundamentals. There are three types there. One is unsupervised, another one is called supervised, another one called reinforcement. So here we had continue the supervised algorithms. So one of the algorithm called decision tree algorithm. So we can say it's like look like a flowchart structure in which each internal node represents a test and a feature. So here it always follow the algorithm based structure where we can use for solve the regression and classification problems also, remember. So one of the important algorithm decision tree, also one of the important algorithm where it follows the root node structure, and here the path from the root to leaf represent classification rules. And also the diagram, we are going to show the two example. One example you have to see the decision tree for decision making with labels, whether you have a rain come or not today. And also these are constructed by an algorithmic approach that just now I told you, because it always identify a way to split a data set based on different conditions, remember. And also it is one of the most widely used and practical methods for supervised learning. So here whatever the data set is there, we can implement the algorithm and get the results here. And probably we are using for solve the regression problems. Let's see the diagram. So let's assume that you have outlook scenario where you have sunny, overcast, and rain. If you go humidity, you can say high or normal. High means no, or we can take the condition no, normal yes, and rain you can say wind flow is there. You can say strong yes, strong no, or weak no, yes. Like that you can predict here. And let's go for the algorithm. So here how we can work with decision tree. So if you want to understand this decision tree algorithm, I'm going to use this one. So here laser I'm missing here. So we can start begin the tree with the root node. Let's assume that it may yes, and which contains the complete data set, and find the best attribute in the data set using attribute selection procedure measure. Then step number 3, divide S into subsets that contains possible value for the best attributes. And step number 4, we can say generate the decision tree node which contains the best attribute here. And step number 5, you can say recursively make new decision tree using the subset of the dataset created in step number 3, and continue the process until a stage is reached where you can further classify the nodes and call the final node as a leaf node. So if you have a tree, you can go for find the attribute in the dataset using the attribute selection measure. Later we can extend the Python code with the help of decision tree algorithm, and we can solve any case study question or any problem. Let's assume that we have a problem called there. Suppose there is a candidate who has a job offer and wants to decide whether he should accept the offer or not. Accept or not. So solve this problem. Shall we use means yes, we can use the decision tree, because the decision tree always start with the root node and so on. Let's go over the diagram here. We can get more clarity. So here salary is between what? Maybe $50,000 to 80,000. Decline offer. Or else if the candidate yes, we can go for office near to me home or not. Another you want to extend it. That is provide capability. Yes, continue. Accepted offer. If it are no, you can decline the offer, or else provides care facility. Based on that category, you can decide attribute, you can decide yes or no, like that. So this is a basic thing, remember. So decision tree algorithm is one of the best algorithm for solve the regression classification in machine learning, and also one of the supervised learning algorithm. This I hope that you understand the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.